Welcome friends, in our Welding Defects series, today we will study about burn-through defect. We will come with more welding defects in next videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more welding and NDT related videos and click the bell icon. You can also join us on Telegram and WhatsApp group for material, discussion, and job updates. Definition of burn-through is excessive heat or penetration that results in a hole completely through the backing ring or strip, fused root, or adjacent base material. What are corrective actions for burn-through? 1. Place ceramic tape or approved metal backing strap on the bottom side of the hole. 2. Weld repair the first side of the hole from the easiest side to weld. 3. Once sufficient weld metal has been deposited on the easiest top side, grind or carbon arc the other side of the hole to sound metal. 4. Weld the other side of the hole to the appropriate size or height. What are preventive actions for burn-through? 1. Reduce amperes or volts. 2. Increase travel speed. 3. Maintain appropriate arc length or wire stick out. 4. Use ceramic tape or approved metal backing strap on areas with root gap.